Welcome to official video overview for the initial public offer of Aastha Spintex Limited. We are engaged in the business of manufacturing and trading of carded, combed and compact combed cotton yarns and cotton bales. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers, BRLMs, and Aastha Spintex Limited that 1. You are the intended recipient of this video, and 2. You are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. Caution. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect of the public offer on the internet, /online websites, /social media platforms, /microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the red herring prospectus and price band advertisement for making investment decisions. Initial public offering of Aastha Spintex Limited. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated September 30, 2025. DRHP. Details of the offer to public. The following table summarizes the details of the issue. Aastha Spintex Limited IPO comprises of a fresh issue of equity shares of face value of Rs 10 each, aggregating up to Rs 16,000 lakhs. For further details, see the issue and issue structure, beginning on pages 68 and 330, respectively. Aastha Spintex Limited was incorporated on August 12, 2013 and has its registered office in Halwad, Surendranagar, Gujarat, India. For further information, please refer chapter titled Our Business of the DRHP beginning on page 156. Our business. Our company Aastha Spintex Limited is engaged in the business of manufacturing and trading of carded, combed and compact combed cotton yarns and cotton bales. Our cotton bales are utilized both for captive production of cotton yarns and for supply to other spinning units. And the cotton yarns produced are used in both knitting and weaving applications, catering to a wide spectrum of end-use segments and products including denim, terry towels, shirting, sheeting, sweaters, socks, bottomwear, home textiles, and industrial fabrics. We have a semi-automated and integrated spinning and ginning manufacturing facility situated at Halwad, Morbi, Gujarat. We produce 100% cotton yarns in counts ranging from Ne 26 to Ne 40, which includes carded, combed and combed compact varieties. NE refers to the English cotton count system, which is a standard way to measure the fineness or thickness of yarn. The higher the NE, the finer the yarn. The spinning of cotton into yarn involves several stages of cleaning, carding and drawing of cotton, during which byproducts such as comber, liquorin and hard waste, collectively cotton waste byproducts, are generated. And ginning process converts raw cotton into cotton bales through stages of cleaning and separation, during which cotton seeds and other byproducts are generated. These cotton waste byproducts are sold to industries manufacturing non-woven fabrics and open-end yarns, providing an additional revenue stream for our company. Nominal portion of cotton in the range of 0.1% to 0.3% of the total cotton yarn produced is non-sellable waste. The product-wise bifurcation of revenue from operations from manufacturing and trading of our products for last 3 fiscals is set out below. We operate exclusively in the business-to-business B2B segment, supplying our products to buyers such as textile manufacturers, yarn exporters, bulk purchasers and fabric processors, collectively customers. We sell our products primarily in the domestic market. The breakdown of our sale of products geography-wise during the last 3 fiscals are set out below. We have more than a decade of operational experience in the textile industry. We presently operate through our manufacturing facility, which is strategically located at Halwad, Morbi, Gujarat, in proximity to high-quality cotton growing area of Gujarat and spans a built-up area of approximately 65,762 square meters. Manufacturing facility. We have a spindle count capacity of 25,920 spindles through 15 compact ring spinning machines and an annual 12,000 metric tons production capacity of cotton bales through 28 ginning machines. We have a cotton yarn production capacity of 7,700 metric tons per annum. Our manufacturing facility operates 24 hours per day on a 3-shift basis to maximize output and ensure uninterrupted operations, and usually operates for 365 days a year. During the fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023, we served 40, 32 and 42 repeat customers and added 191, 46 and 43 new customers. Further, during the preceding 3 fiscals, we served more than 250 customers across textile industry, out of which 14 have been associated with us for a period of more than 5 years. We are also an environmentally conscious organization committed to promoting the use of renewable energy. As part of our sustainability efforts, we installed a rooftop solar power plant, ground-mounted solar power plant and wind power plant, which became operational in 2023, 2023 and 2024 respectively, to source captive power, thereby substantial cost effectiveness on power cost. The installed capacity of this rooftop solar power plant, ground-mounted solar power plant and wind power plant stands at 1 megawatt, 4 megawatts and 2.7 megawatts respectively. This initiative supports our shift toward clean energy, contributing to our daily power requirements and resulting in a generation of average 37,692 units per day collectively during the period in between April 2024 to March 2025, resulting in reduction of monthly electricity expenses. Risk factors. Investors should note the following important risks. 1. We are significantly dependent on 7Seas INPEX for our sales outside Gujarat and exports, and any adverse development in this arrangement could materially and adversely affect our business, results of operations and financial condition. 2. Our proposed utilization of a portion of the net proceeds towards payment of the purchase consideration for the acquisition of Falcon Yarns Private Limited exposes us to funding, timing, and integration risks. 3. We are dependent on a limited number of suppliers for procurement of raw cotton and cotton bales, our principal raw material, and any disruption in supply or adverse movement in cotton prices may materially affect our business, results of operations and financial condition. 4. A major portion of our revenue from sale of products is dependent upon a limited number of customers, and the loss of one or more of these customers or a significant reduction in their orders could materially and adversely affect our business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. 5. A significant portion of our revenue is derived from cotton yarns, particularly carded, combed, and compact combed varieties, and cotton bales, and any adverse development in demand, pricing, or industry conditions could materially and adversely affect our business, financial condition, and results of operations. For further information, please refer chapter titled Risk Factors of the DRHP beginning on page 33. Our promoters, Patel Divyang Jashwant Bhai, Rasiklal Valji Bhai Patel, Gothi Vivek Rasiklal, and Jashwant Bhai Valaji Bhai Patel are the promoters of our company. For further information, please refer chapter titled Our Promoter and Promoter Group of the DRHP beginning on page 212. Shareholding pattern of promoter and promoter group. As on the date of the draft red herring prospectus, our promoters and promoter group together hold 2,34,86,509 equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, representing 74.23% of the issued, subscribed and paid up equity share capital of our company on a fully diluted basis. The details of shareholding of the promoters of the company has been provided below. For further details, see Shareholding of our promoters and members of the promoter group on page 93 of the DRHP. Board of Directors. Our board has 8 directors, including 1 managing director, 1 whole-time director, 1 executive director, 1 non-executive director, and 4 independent directors, including 2 women independent directors. For further details, please see Our Management beginning on page 189 of the DRHP. Financial highlights. Aastha Spintex Limited's revenue from operations stood at 35,116.02 lakhs, with an EBITDA margin of 13.37% in fiscal 2025. The company registered a profit after tax of 2,349.83 lakhs, reflecting a PAT margin of 6.69% in the same fiscal year. Earnings per share, basic and diluted, were 8.50, and the net asset value per equity share stood at 44.01 as of March 31, 2025. For further details, please see Restated Financial Information beginning on page 220. Capital structure. The table set forth shows the capital structure of our company. For further details, please see Capital Structure beginning on page 79. As on the date of this draft, red herring prospectus, outstanding litigations and material developments is disclosed in on page 303 of the DRHP.
Object of the issue. The net proceeds are proposed to be utilized towards the following objects. 1. Part payment of the purchase consideration for the acquisition of Falcon Yarns Private Limited, and 2. General corporate purposes. For further details, see objects of the issue on page 104 of the DRHP. Issue structure. The issue is being made through the book building process in with Regulation 6, one of the CBICDR regulations, with allotment of not more than 50% to QIB, not less than 15% to NII, and not less than 35% to the retail portion. The equity share will be listed on BSE Limited and National Stock Exchange of India Limited.
Disclosure of price information of latest issues handled during last 3 years by the BRLMs. BOI Merchant Bankers Limited and PNB Investment Services Limited are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Disclosure of price information of latest issues handled during last 3 years by them are as mentioned below. Disclaimer. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the issue unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the DRHP dated September 30, 2025, and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Potential investors should rely on the RHP to be filed with the Registrar of Companies for making any investment decision. For risk factors, please refer to page 33 of the DRHP. For financial information, please refer to page 220 of the DRHP. For outstanding litigation and material developments, please refer to page 303 of the DRHP. Neither the company nor the promoters are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should not rely on the DRHP filed with SEBI and wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the issue for making any investment decision.